Okie dokie. It is saying that my resolution is not very good here, but apparently this stream is working. So you know the drill. What we're going to do today is we're going to solve a random challenge, this time from HackerRank. And we shall see how it's going to work. Again, no idea. Is it going to be a complex challenge? Is it going to be a simple one? No cut, no edits, like just the way it is. And the challenge that I'm going to solve just arrived to my mailbox. If you have a HackerRank account, they can from time to time send you some challenges. So that's the challenge that I got. Let me open this one. And the challenge is called Sherlock and Array. I really hope that I'm not going to be as embarrassed as I was yesterday. Logging in. Yeah, I'm in. Nice. Let me just put myself here. Transition. Yeah, I see that you see the screen. All right, let's have a look at the challenge and let's see how it's going to work, if it's going to work. Also, let's double check. Oh, no one is watching my live stream. Okay, that's fine. I wonder if it's working at all. Just let me double check. Maybe it's not. Maybe that's why you're not watching it. Well, actually, it's working. It's working fine. Okay. So let's see what the challenge is about. Watson gives Sherlock an array of integers. His challenge is to find an element of the array such that the sum of all elements to the left is equal to the sum of elements to the right. Okay. So let's see, we have an example, array 5 plus 6 plus 11, and then the answer will be 1, y1, I thought it should be 2, since the left and right sum to 0. Okay, that doesn't make sense to me. You'll be given an array of integers and you must determine whether there is an element that meets the criterion. So we can be provided with an array which doesn't fit the criterion. And if there is, return yes, otherwise return no. Okay, so we don't need to find the element at all. We need to either return yes or no. Okay, so there are two ways to do this, at least. First is iterate through the whole array, check every element, and count the sum. And that's going to be O square complexity. The other way would be O square complexity again, but a little bit more efficient because we can count the sum of an array, so the total sum. And then we don't need to count the sum for the right part of the elements. It will be just the sum for the left part of the elements. And I really like an autofocus on this camera. Okay, so that's a possibility. Let me just put it like, yeah, I like it more like this. Okay, I don't see out of my head an efficient way to solve this. So let's go with this semi-brute force approach. So one of the things that I don't like about HackerRank, like first is that they're showing this boilerplate here, it's just annoying. And second, it's not so easy to test against custom input. It's not impossible, but it's not as convenient in codewars. So step by step, let me just write this down so I don't forget the steps here. Count sum for the array, then iterate left. Okay, here is an efficient way to do this. Okay, I can do this on ON complexity. So iterate left and count the sum at the same time. And then just compare the sum that I got with the other part of an array. Okay, so let's start step by step. Right. I have an annoying problem with my KVM switch. It stopped working with the USB cable, and that's why I need to plug everything in. Wires are getting in the way, but okay, never mind that. So what we're going to do here, first we're going to have a total sum, let's say total sum, which is going to be, I'm not sure, probably that's will do. Don't remember off the top of my head, but I think it's gonna work. Okay, and now what we're going to do is to have a left sum, which starts at 0, and then for element in array. What we're going to do here, first we're going to have right sum, which is total sum minus element minus left sum. And if right sum equals left sum, return, is it just string yes? Yeah, it looks like that. Just return yes. And if we could not find this, we return no. And finally, what I have forgotten to do here is to increase the left sum. That looks it, to be honest. Let me try against custom input. So it's going to be, let's just copy that. Really don't like HackerRank for the very cryptic input for tests. Okay, I don't understand what's going on here. No, yes. Okay, it looks right. Oh, let's try submitting code and let's see. Done, it's working. So it was actually a very simple one. And I managed to solve this efficiently in ON time complexity, which is not bad. I believe that's the best time complexity you can come up with for this particular challenge. Well, that was super quick. Thank you for everyone who joined, if anyone joined, and see you around. Let's call these streams midnight coding streams and see how it goes. And let's aim to have 2 or 3 streams a week, just sporadically random like this. Right? See you.